Name spacing is not very much important, but how you can, if you want to name your project or if you want to give the name of your business, so we can change the namespace of app directly. So you can see everything which is name is app is app directory, and we can see our user model is in namespace with app. So some when you we will add some model or controller, so we will use the namespace like app user is a model, so we can add our namespace of user. So use app /user. So this is the namespace, and the default namespace is with the app. So we can change it to anything according to if you want to give the project name. So or your business or anything that you are going to develop for your client. So you can give the name of the project to your client. So this app names make sure that when you download your fresh code and install the Laravel fresh source, so change your change your hash key and change the app key at the start, because when the project will be long and you will create multiple files, so it will might be breakdown in somewhere and you cannot handle it and you cannot debug the exact way. So make sure that you change the namespace at the very beginning of your installation of your Laravel source. So we can see in our controllers the namespace, and which is namespace app http controllers auth. So app http controller auth, and it is getting its namespace from here. And we can also use, and we can also check it when it's a composer. Head over to our composer here, psr autoload. When we autoload our all Laravel default files, so it's get from the vendor directory app and app. So how we can change it? It's very pretty and simple. So come to your source, command terminal, command prompt, and PHP artisan app name and the name of your app. So fresh or fresh app. So you can give your name of your project. You can give it in camel case fresh app. Make sure that you can remember throughout your project that your app name is very simple and clean and clear. And in my case, we will set it to online Rana, and we are changing now to PHP artisan namespace and application namespace set, and we can check it. So you can see namespace is online Rana, and we can check it in our controller. So namespace is online Rana HTTP controller auth, and online Rana HTTP controllers. So everywhere it is now changed. You can manually change it. You can manually change the namespace of your controller, but it's very difficult. So we have a easy way to through PHP artisan change the namespace.